Good morning guys! So, medyo late tayong nagising today after the Misa de Gallo. Pero, it's okay. We are going to the farm a bit late, mga afternoon na daw. Yan yung maganda basta may business ka kasi hindi mo kailangan talagang gumising or mag-set ng time every single day. So, may mga times na pagod kami. So, yun. Um, Minabuti na lang namin na hindi muna pupunta sa farm early. Kasi nga, kailangan namin matulog after the Misa de Gallo. So, bang pagod na pagod kami. So, anyway, I'm just preparing our lunch. So, mag-early lunch lang kami. And then, right after, maligo kami. And then, punta na sa farm. Very impromptu. We're eating halo-halo. Impromptu na activity today. Okay, so we are back already in the house. So update ko lang kayo kung anong nangyari. So we were supposed to go to the farm today, but because it was raining really hard, kaya hindi lang kami pumunta doon. Instead, sabi ko ng asawa ko, gala na lang tayo. Kasi anyway, wala naman kaming magawa dito sa bahay. So nung tumigil na yung ulan, napaisip ako, gusto kong color ng hair because ang daming ko nga na gray hair na, di ba? And then, so punta na kami doon sa Japanese salon. And then, when we reached the salon, buti na lang talaga hindi ako natuloy doon kasi ang daming tao na inaayusan nila. So, and the chemical itself was really sobra. Grabe yung ammonia level doon. Feeling ko mamamatay ako sa cancer ng mabilis doon. So, sabi ko, wag na lang muna ito. So, postpone na sana yun. Tapos eventually, sabi ko sa asawa, sa Tiangge na lang kaya ako. Sabi niya, anong Tiangge ka dyan? Baka mamaya niyan sasabihin mo na parang tawag to, alot mahay, something like that. Alot mahay is like you'll regret what you did with your hair, something like that. So sabi ko, wala tayong choice. Sabi niya, sige, hanap tayo ng mga salon. Sabi ko sa kanya, yung mga salon dito for sure they're all fully booked, which is yun naman talaga nangyari. So libot kami sa downtown. Tapos pagdating na namin sa sa corner, nung na-check na namin lahat, sabi ko sa kanya, might as well, let's go to the Tiangge na lang. Kasi ang dami namang makikita. Wala akong experience pa talaga sa Tiangge, guys. Pero I just really wanna try. At saka, for me lang it's all about, if okay naman yung performance, just ang ano lang doon is yung convenience mo at saka yung services provided probably is not what you expected kasi nga mura lang yung sa Tiangge, di ba? Anyway, to make the story short, so yun nangyari. So nagpa-color na ako ng hair, wala na yung yung white hair, yung gray hair ko. Tapos nabudol ako ni ate. So, nagpa-Brazilian na din ako. So, ayan. For the next 3 days, this will be my hairstyle because I can't really wet my hair. So, hindi siya pwedeng mabasa. Pwede ako maligo, pero hindi kasama yung ulo. Anyway, anong connection niya sa how you call this? Pagiging a business owner and employee is that ang kagandahan ng being a business owner ka kahit maliit is that kung hindi mo kayang gawin yung mga bagay-bagay, pwede mo lang i-postpone so the next day. So, yun nangyari today, just an update. And also, an update din sa architect. Finally, nag-respond na siya. Tomorrow will be our meeting with him and the kapitan. Hopefully, it will really turn out okay. Ayoko naman ng masyadong tension doon. Kasi as much as possible, we wanna be, we wanna agree on something. At saka, at the same time, of course, hindi natin gusto yung makasira ng relasyon. As much as possible, gusto lang natin i-correct yung situation. But anyway, yung husband ko, I just wanna give in to my husband kasi siya yung medyo apektado talaga. Kasi every time we have sira dito sa bahay, siya yung nagmi-maintain, siya yung maintenance, kumbaga. So, siya yung nahihirapan. Ako lang yung nasi-stress kasi ako kasi yung kumbaga, ako yung nag-recommend sa kanya, sa architect na siya yung kunin namin. Para dahil kasi family friend nga, so siya yung nakuha namin. Tsaka hindi pa kami nag-contract noon. So yun yung mahirap. And yun nga, my husband is feeling hopeless na talaga. So he just needs to parang just to put this into record na these things happen sa paggawa ng bahay, mga ganyan, para at least matuto din yung architect at some point. Tsaka, we've learned something din sa ganitong business at sa ganitong pagpapakonstruct na dahil hindi siya basta-basta, kaya maraming nag-aaway na mga contractor and owner or clients dahil malaki kasi siya na pera involved. So, hindi siya basta-basta lang na pwede mo lang ipagpaliban. So, very stressful siya. Okay naman ang work niya, in fairness. Pero yun nga lang, ayaw na lang ng asawa ko yung work ethic niya. So, gusto lang niyang, tsaka yung ibang mga, yung inayos ng asawa ko. I don't know what will happen tomorrow, but I just hope that we will choose kindness over being right. Kasi ayoko talaga ng tension as much as possible. Anyway, that will be it for today, guys. I hope you have enjoyed my short update for today, and I shall see you again tomorrow, okay? Bye!